Hi, stamping friends. It's Terry Hartley at Rustic Barn Cards. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Today's Quick Tip Monday is going to be, did you know? I'm going to give you some information, and if you're especially new to Stampin' Up!, you may not know some of the information. So I hope this will be useful to you. Did you know that Hey Birthday Check in the new mini catalog on page 52 is going to have some dies with it on February 2nd. So if you have not ordered Hey Birthday Chick stamp set yet, I would wait and order it February 2nd or after, because then you'll have the option of buying the stamp set and the dies together as a bundle, or you can purchase them separately. So if I've already purchased the stamp set and you want to get the dies starting February 2nd, you can. And then Stampin' Up! Is going to bring back a stamp set from 2017 called Hey Check with dies. And also on February 2nd, you can order that. And in another video, I will show you both of the stamp sets and the dies. Did you know that Sale-A-Bration is going on? And here's how it works. For every $50 order that you place before shipping and tax, you earn a free gift, a free qualifying gift from the Sale-A-Bration catalog. So let me turn the camera down and share some more information. So in the Sale-A-Bration catalog, there are free gifts that you can choose with a $50 purchase. And there are also some gifts in the mini catalog that you can choose as your free gift with a $100 purchase. So for every $50 you may purchase, or you may choose a free qualifying gift out of the mini catalog. If you spend $100, you could choose one free gift from the $100 choice in choices in the in the Sale-A-Bration catalog. Or if you spend $100, you could choose two of the qualifying $50 free gift. So there's no limits on how many free gifts that you may earn. And you earn them by placing a $50 order. But let's say you have a $200 order. Then you could choose two of the $100 free gifts, or you could choose four of the $50 gifts, or you could choose 100. You could choose a free $100 gift and two of the $50 free gifts. So you can mix that up. So if I haven't confused you, I hope I haven't, reach out to me if you have any questions. Did you know if you place a $300 order, you will receive this Punch Party stamp set on page 17 of the Sale-A-Bration catalog, along with your free gifts. And of course, if you don't want to spend $300, maybe decide to host a party. Get your friends together to reach that $300 sale, and then you as a host will receive the Punch Party stamp set. And did you know, in order to qualify for the Sale-A-Bration, you may place an order of $50 from the mini catalog as well as the annual catalog. So you can use both of these catalogs to place your order. If you do not have a catalog, reach out to me. Go to my webpage, rusticbarncards.com, and I will gladly send you a catalog. If you do not have a demonstrator, I would be grateful to be your demonstrator. And did you know that I'm offering a class January 26th It's called Tea and Card Kit Class, and I'm using the all-inclusive card kit, Hello Dear Friend. It's on page 6 of the mini catalog. And why it is all-inclusive is because you have everything that you need. You'll have stamp set, card bases, coordinating envelopes, and at the bottom of page 6, you'll see everything that is in the kit. You have copper twine, a block, ink spot, copper foil labels. You'll have these vellum die cut with copper. Aren't these beautiful? And it's everything you need to make 12 cards. We'll be making one of each of the 4 designs. And then I also will show you some alternatives so you can make some other cards besides the ones that it shows you in the kit. But we'll make one just like in the kit and then make some other ones. So I hope that you can join in the fun. We're going to meet on Zoom. There'll be prizes and we'll stamp. So, but you do need to sign up by midnight today, which today is Monday, January 11th. So make sure you sign up and use a special host code. And this is the host code for the class. And that way I know that you are going to be part of the class. And this inclusive set does come with a decorative box. So we're going to have a lot of fun. So I hope you won't miss out and sign up by midnight today, January 11th. Now the kit is $32. And that's all you need to do is place the kit using me as your demonstrator with this host code. But if you want to add $18 more to your order, you would also qualify for a free gift from the Sale-A-Bration catalog. So that's your choice, something to think about. Let me show you the cards that we will make during the class. And like I said, we'll make these, all 4. Aren't they cute? And we'll be making some alternatives too. And did you know that Sale-A-Bration is going on through the end of February? This year, we are going to have another celebration in the summer. And I'm going to back up just 1 second on my kit class that I'm going to offer January 26th on Zoom. You can still take the class. And if you can't join us on Zoom, then I will send you the link and you can watch that at your leisure. And I'm going to record just the stamping part. Did you know that I am here to answer any questions you have about stamping, and I would be happy to help you on your stamping journey. So just reach out to me. My webpage is rusticbarncards.com. So I hope I have shared some information with you today that has helped. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I would love if this is your first time here for you to click the subscribe button. And that way, and if you click the bell, you'll be notified when I upload videos. Have a great week, and I will plan to see you on Thursday, and we'll be making some cards and do some stamping.